In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter gambling winnings in the wages and income section of your tax return. If you received a Form W-2G and need to report gambling income, this process is usually very straightforward. The key is to enter the information carefully so your return matches the tax form you were given. Taking a moment to double check the numbers can help you avoid mistakes and reduce the chance of delays later. To begin, go to the Wages and Income section of your return. This is the area where you enter all of the money you received during the year from different sources. Once you're there, look for the category called Less Common Income. Since gambling winnings are not something most people report as regularly as wages or bank interest, they are usually grouped in this section rather than listed with the more common income types. When you find less common income, select gambling winnings, which may also be labeled as Form W-2G. This is the option you want if you received a gambling winnings form from a casino, lottery organization, racetrack, or another payer. Choosing the correct income type is important because it helps place the information in the right part of your tax return. Next, enter the gross winnings amount exactly as it appears on your Form W-2G. Gross winnings means the full amount reported before any taxes were taken out. Be careful not to round, estimate, or combine numbers unless your tax software specifically tells you to do so. Accuracy matters here because the IRS compares what you enter with the form that was issued to you. After that, enter the tax withheld amount shown on the form. This is the federal income tax that may have already been taken out of your winnings at the time you received them. Entering this amount correctly is just as important as entering the winnings themselves, because it can affect your overall tax calculation and may reduce what you owe or increase your refund depending on the rest of your return. Before moving on, review both entries one more time. Make sure the gross winnings and tax withheld amounts match your tax document exactly. If you have more than one Form W-2G, be sure to enter each one as needed according to your software's instructions. Once everything